want to grow to a principal DS? What skills do you think would be a key differentiator to grow to a principal? Ooh, love the question. Love the question, Cheyenne. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Cheyenne is what I'm saying here. Love the question. I love to see other data scientists in the chat or in reading or using my content. So welcome to you. Key differentiator to grow as a principal. Great question. And the answer to that is communication. And I mean that both communication to your stakeholders, to the people that you're doing the models for, and communication to your chain of command. So in other words, communication in two directions. To the people that you're serving, as far as your stakeholders, your users, and to the people that you're reporting to. That's what's going to differentiate you from the other data scientists. And that's what's going to make somebody say, hey, I think Cheyenne is ready for the next level. Let's promote him to, to a lead or to a principal or whatever your aspirations are, right?